Hey friends, Kendra here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kendra again, and I do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and some travel videos for you guys. So if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, ring my bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So you guys, this video is in collaboration with EvaWigs. So thank you so much, EvaWigs, for partnering with me on this video. They sent over this gorgeous bob unit that's giving me all the life in the world. It does have an HD lace, so I'm super excited to show you guys how amazing the lace, the parting. I really didn't have to do too much to this unit. So if you guys are interested and you want to hear all the juicy details, keep on watching. Alright you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is the unit here, and again, this is from Eva's Wig. This is a natural black 100% virgin human hair silky straight 14-inch lace front wig, and as you can see here, it has combs on it. It has an adjustable strap on the nape, and then they also sent over the extra adjustable strap that you can detach if you'd like to, the black one. And then it has all of this parting space, so you actually get 6 inches of deep parting space in the front there. So yeah, they bleached the knots and everything, and check out this HD lace, you guys. You can just tell that it's going to melt so nicely. It matches my skin complexion so well, and I absolutely love it. So this is a 14-inch bob, and again, the density is 150% silky straight hair, and the cap size that I got was an average size. But the main thing I want to show you guys is that this hairline is pre-plucked, and it is bomb. I didn't do anything to this unit but put it on. So I will tag the video in here that shows you how I take care of my locks under my wigs, so that you'll know what I did here just now. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig, secure it, okay? Make sure the adjustable strap is tight enough. And check out here, I love this middle part on this unit. This just reminds me of an everyday wig. Like, you can just pull this out and wear it every day. You don't necessarily have to glue it down. It's just ready to go. So as you can see, guys, look at the lace, how it matches my complexion, but look at the hairline as well. It's so bomb. So as you see here, I am just cutting that lace off. I'm going to take my time in a little zigzag motion, not to cut off the any of the hairs in the front, because they're already pre-plucked, so it already looks really good. So I'm just taking my time here to just cut off that lace, and I apologize for the blur on this video. I think it's focused on my hand instead of my head, so I apologize for that. So I did apply a little bit of the Gots to Be free spray, just a tiny bit to the edges, and I love how it laid. I'm not going to do any baby hairs on this unit because it's good to go, right? Check out the hairline, y'all. Like, you can't, what lace is so I'm just spraying water just to define my part a little bit better. I'm gonna first go in with a blow dryer on high heat, and this is just gonna help me to define my part and to make sure, you know, all the little loose hairs are pushed back, because like I said, I'm not gonna be doing any baby hairs because I love the natural look on this unit. So again, my hair dryer is on high heat, and it's just kind of laying down the baby hairs and kind of molding them in place, and then also it's defining that part on top. So this is what I have come out with, you guys. Oh, I love how silky this hair is, but it's not that shiny silky hair, you know what I'm saying? It's not that fake looking wiggy wig silky shiny hair. It has a nice luster to it, but it is a natural black color, and it does look like, you know, African American hair once it's been like permed, or relaxed rather, or pressed out. So I'm just taking my setting powder and I'm just applying it more just so that it can blend in more with my complexion, and I'm just applying it around on the part and as well as around my edges. And as you can see, it looks like that hair is coming out of my scalp, girl. So now I'm just taking my flat iron and I'm just kind of straightening the hair. Now, I know for certain that I'm going to be curling this hair, but I just wanted to see what it looked like straight, and I absolutely love it straight. It straightened really well. It wasn't hard to straighten this hair. I think it looks really good. I mean, I could have spent a little bit more time on the back of it, but I was going to go ahead and throw some curls in it anyway, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks straight. And I don't know why this is giving me like a professional look. Like, I just want to throw on a blazer and some nice cropped, you know, pants and a heel and just going about my merry old life. But yeah, I love it behind the ear as well. It just looks so good. Okay, easy, simple wig, you guys. And so here I am just adding a little bit of curls, just some bounce to it just to see what it looks like. I don't wear a middle part often, but this middle part is giving me life. So yeah, you guys, I am just adding some curls in it, and this is like the final look, you guys. What do you guys think about this? I absolutely love it. I think it fits my face perfectly, and I just love this unit. Now, they have some discounts, y'all. They have a lot of different sales going on. So if you check out their website, you'll be able to see those sales, and I will definitely post all of the sales below. They have like a 10%, 15, 20, 25% sale. Of course, it has to be, you have to spend a certain amount of money. So check the description box for all the information on those sales, as well as the links to the hair. They will be down there. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. And again, shout out to EvaWigs for partnering with me on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment down below if you do. Also, don't forget to check the description box. If there are any discount codes, they will definitely be down there for you guys, as well as links to where you can get the hair. As always, I'll talk to you guys down below in the comment section. Bye.